have its interior done. We're at that stage
Wow.
right now.
What's the color of this paint?
It's what I call cappuccino. I mix the colors for this, so try to create our own colors.
Cappuccino. And you don't even drink coffee.
Still name cars, so
It's beautiful.
back and forth. I don't think the battery's hooked up to this car yet.
Supercharged. What size is this engine?
This is 600 horsepower. Car only weighs 2,800 pounds. So this thing is crazy fast.
Wow.
So that's our Vicci line, 600 horsepower.
That's the painted version. This is the unpainted.
Correct.
You want to put the hood down?
I got it hooked up to the charger.
Can you just like sort of put it down? Without chopping the wires? Yeah, that's good. Look at the headlights. So you think it's a Sportster from the, what, 1930s or something?
Yeah, this car's
But it's all brand new, high-tech.
got all the mirrors, the turn signals.
And the wheels. V8. Oh, you got some colored lights in there too. Is this going to have mood lighting too?
Yeah, it does.
Cool. It's beautiful.
The interior will be in it soon.
What color is the interior going to be on that?
It's a two-tone, like camel, but not lighter. Kind of match the fenders, but black, two-tone.
Okay. And what price do these go for?
600,000.
600,000.
So this
Why are you building this year Mustang?
Just because we can, and it's a 427.
No, but what is the significance of, was it 1967?
Yeah, this is a 1967 Mustang.
Is it a Steve McQueen era Mustang?
Well, yeah, it's kind of in that era, but it's in the 60s. So we do, everything's custom, so everything's like brand new in here. You'll never see any
So you're
of this
driving an
kind of-
old looking Mustang that's
Yeah,
in
but
really good shape,
really,
but it's brand new
The
on the
brakes
inside.
all electronic braking system, which they never had. We add in, and you'll see it down the road, but extra everything to it as far as the
What are these two things
roll
over there?
bars. This is for your power steering fluid and
Fancy.
yeah.
And then look at even
overflow.
the what do they call these? Hinges?
Yep.
They're like chrome.
Yeah, those are aluminum billet hinges. They're adjustable. No other company makes them, but this company. They're very expensive, but
But hey,
yeah,
it's a DiMora.
that's right. As you can see, it's 427.
Yes.
DiMora on the valve covers. So it's kind of like, you know, what everyone else is doing, like Shelby, but we build our own product and we take real pride in what we do.
Can you show me the lights? So what does it sound like?
I'll turn it on. There's no mufflers on it yet, but I'll give you an idea.
Do I need some earplugs?
You might.
I'll stand back. Hey! Wow. Okay, that's loud. Okay, I'm deaf now.
It's 505 horsepower on this particular 427.
Wow.
So it's carbureted, where this motor is fuel injected. But let's stay with this car because you see the interior.
Oh, yeah.
And you should go around on the
It's
other
got nice
side.
mood lighting in here.
Yeah,
You can,
the dashboard, I just got to put screws in. We're putting this in to finalize it. So
and you can change the color via an app on your phone.
correct. Yeah, between 10 different colors.
Cool. Oh, and it
So-
changes colors too, right?
Yeah.
And that lights up white until you shut the door.
Shut the door, and then I'll go close the other door. Hold that. Still working on it.
Yeah, I love those
So as
lights.
soon as you go to shut the door, then everything inside turns to blue.
Cool. I like
Yeah,
that it's a
this is
warm
what
light.
they call an e-stop. So the e-stop is a push-button emergency brake, which is kind of very cool. Again, expensive, but
But it's a DiMora.
yeah. You should take a picture from this side from the dash. You kind of get an idea.
What color white is this?
The center console's not in here. This is called Wimbledon White. 1966, 67. Wimbledon White was a real color, and also the stripes is the same. So
Nice. I love lights like that.
obviously we still got to put the seats in, put the
course.
center console in.
You mean you don't drive it like this with no seat?
No, it's coming off the line. So everything is brand new in this thing. So now we got the emergency flashers on. We'll go to the left side. So it's sequential. And now the right side. And now back to the flashers.
Wow, look at this one.
Yeah,
That's a cool color.
this is again, this is the 427. As you can see on the side over here, it says 427 F5. .427, but this is fuel injected. This is about 550 horsepower thereabout to the rear.
Are they all that pretty?
No, that's very expensive. That's how you get it to look pretty.
You chrome it.
Well, you spend a
even
lot of
these
money.
are-
Yeah, this
Wow.
is fuel injected, where that one has a carburetor in it.
Oh, I see.
Some people like carburetors, old school. Some like fuel injection. Either way, it's okay.
Okay, we're back to the Mustang
Yep. So, anyways,
area.
we have take out the towers. Of course, everything's brand new.
You took out the towers.
These are towers.
I didn't know there were towers in a
These
car.
are towers inside the car that come out. And on the sides over here, we put extra. No one does this, but we do. We put the tubing around there. Again, it's just for safety, more precaution. Because you got an awful lot of horsepower going on in this thing.
Are they all 427s?
No, they can be whatever they want, but most of these are 427s because that's what a lot of people like.
Yeah. When you drive one of these cars, you want speed.
So as you can see, these are cars that we built from the ground up from the fixtures. Taking older 67s, but we actually removed everything
Remodeling.
out of here and then put a whole new floor
Start over,
pan,
yeah.
start all over again.
Like it's
Front.
reborn.
What's that?
It's like it's reborn.
Yeah, so these cars are pretty much like what those cars you see out front painted look like after hundreds of hours worth of
Right.
work that goes into them.
Was this the one that was in such bad shape?
Well, they're all in bad shape, you know. So we replace panels, put in all this extra stuff. Portion boxes, it's just upgraded everywhere.
How many Mustangs do you have in total?
In the shop right now, we have 5 going at any one time. So then, of course, we do the Clenet restoration. That motor's out of that Clenet over there. So this is one of many from the other building. Here's a Clenet that we got.
Well, if people don't know what a Clenet looks like, we should probably show them.
Well, it's sitting right over
It's hard to
there.
tell looking at this.
Yeah, but I'll show it to you over there. So this car sat for about 18 years inside a container. Brought it in, completely ground up restoration on this. So it'll be a brand new Clenet, but this car is a 1979. Take a look at the motor. We switched the motor from the 351.
Is this a Lambo?
No, this is the Pantera, John's Pantera.
Oh, Pantera, that's right.
So, you see the motor?
Look, I can put my luggage on top of the engine.
You actually
Maybe.
can. That's what that is for right there. That actually gets put right into here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
put the luggage in the back?
Yeah.
How does it not burn up from the heat? It'll
Well,
melt
that's
all
a
the lipstick.
427. Again, that's about 550 horsepower. On that, of course, we customized the hell out of this thing. I mean, this thing is
It's beautiful.
from the tires, the wheels. This was a ground up rotisserie. Even the, the center console, everything has been upgraded, dated, changed. Vintage air, the best of the best.
And you can see the engine out of your back window.
Yeah, this is a Porsche color, a late model Porsche color.
Really?
Yeah, John picked this color.
Kind of a reddish orange.
A little bit of custom that we did inside.
Like a sunset. Very pretty.
Pull this off. Stick it back
Wow.
in. You can see I made this right over here. This is all custom in here.
Now wait, is this the engine or is that the engine back
No,
there?
the engine's back here, but and
What is
put
this?
a power booster in here so that.
Does it have nitro?
No, this one doesn't have nitro to it. But I made this. This is
Oh
all
yeah,
custom.
that's cool.
Stainless steel, polished stainless steel.
Nice.
And then we put these louvers in so when you're looking down at it, you can see the stainless steel. It's just got a really nice touch. This is the hood for the Mustang.
Mm-hmm. Pretty bike.
Yeah, we do all custom bikes. There's one of the custom bikes. It's called our Dragon Line. So
That's
each
the
one's a
turn
little
signal
bit different.
or the brake signal.